Hey everybody, it's Kendra Eris, and today we are going to create a beautiful eyeshadow face makeup look with the Perfect Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is a palette that is a limited edition eyeshadow collection. If you're watching this right now and it's still available and you want it, do not delay. Calling this Cornucopia Dreams because to me this looks like the perfect fall palette, oranges and purples and brown. We don't have time to mess around. We're gonna use the white color in this palette first. So we're gonna pick a crease color first. I would pick one of these two colors. I'm gonna pick the peachy apricot color. When I create a crease color, I like to keep my eye open because it helps find the crease. This is especially helpful if you have a hooded eye. You've seen me do this before, windshield wipers and circles. When you're doing these circles, you wanna start with the brush in the crease and then slowly work your way up towards your brow so the color disappears into your brow. Now, a fun thing to do is to deepen your crease. So you've got the base crease down. Now you can deepen it with one of the darker colors. So I would use either the orange or one of the kind of terracotta brown colors. And because I feel like being daring today, I'm gonna use the orange. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put it in the crease, but this time when you do your circles, you're not gonna go quite up so high. So now we've got our crease done and it's deepened. You just want to make sure that they kind of match. Looks like I need to add a little more to the crease on this side to get it to match. So now we're going to add a lid color. A lot of times your lid color can be a lighter color, like one of these three, or it could be a darker color for a deeper smoky eye. I'm gonna go ahead and use the lighter peach color. Now we're gonna do an outer corner color. I am going to use, you could use the purple or the dark brown or one of these terracotta colors. I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna apply this in the shape of a V. I'm just gonna take my brush and do those little circles again, but just keep the circles in the outer corner and the outer crease. Now, a fun way to give this a little bit of extra dimension is to grab the darkest color and put it just on the inner corner and just blend. Knock all the color off my brush, make sure there's nothing left, and I'm just gonna blend all of this outer corner up around the outer edges. So I'm gonna take the purple color. Isn't that fun? Creates a really fun smoky eye. I'm gonna create some blush and contour with the same palette. I've never done this before. This could get ugly. Let's use this taupe color and see what we can do about a contour. Let's use this apricot color. Luckily, I'm never without my favorite nude lip color, which I think is perfect for this look. This is called Moon Pie. I found a pair of lashes. some magnetic lashes. So I put those on with this look, and I gotta say, I kind of like it. So I made a quick little video. You can find that in the description on how to apply magnetic lashes. See you later.